Hello and welcome. I am Dahl Aetheron. In this quick lecture, we will build a simple HTTP URL test project using CloudFormation and Lambda. Let's get started. The architecture is simple. The client sends an URL request to Lambda, and Lambda responds. This will all be deployed using CloudFormation, which means we won't use the AWS console to manually create the Lambda or change any settings. The build process is straightforward. We will write the CloudFormation template file and deploy it. Then we will test the URL, then finally view the logs in CloudWatch. The cost will be almost free for personal testing. Each execution is very short and the default memory size is only 128 megabytes. Let's get started. Step 1. Write the CloudFormation template. I already uploaded our YAML file on my GitHub, so you can use the link below the video. Let me explain line by line. First, the header. This is just metadata. It shows template format version, and the description is information about this stack. Next, the Lambda function. Here we are creating a Lambda function. The runtime is Python 3.12. The handler tells Lambda which function to call. Index.handler means the file name is index.py and the function is handler. The row points to the IAM row we will define shortly. The code is in like Python. No need to upload a zip file. This code just returns a fixed response message hello with an HTTP 200 status. Now the IAM row for Lambda. This row gives Lambda the permission it needs. The assume row policy document allows the Lambda service itself to assume this row. The managed policy attached here is AWS built-in logging policy, so our function can write logs into CloudWatch. Next, the Lambda function URL. This creates a public HTTPS endpoint for our Lambda. Setting auth type to none means anyone with the link can access it. Then, the permission for the URL. It gives permission for anyone, meaning any client, to call the Lambda through its function URL. Without this, the function URL wouldn't actually work. Finally, the outputs. Here we tell CloudFormation to print out the function URL after the stack is created. This is what you will copy and paste into your browser. So to summarize, CloudFormation creates an IAM row. It creates a Lambda function with inline Python code. It generates a public function URL for the Lambda. It sets permissions so anyone can invoke it. And finally, it shows a URL in the Outputs tab. Once deployed, you can open the URL in your browser and get the result. Now, our YAML file is ready. Step 2. Deploy the stack. After signing in AWS console, go to CloudFormation, upload template file. Then we will upload our YAML file. After we acknowledge and click Create Stack, we will see that the stack is created. Let's move on. Go to CloudFormation and create stack. Let's upload our template file. Let's give stack name hello URL. On the review page, check the I acknowledge box and then click Create Stack. Wait until the status is Create Complete. Now we see Create Complete. Step 3. Copy the function URL from Outpost. On our hello URL stack, we will copy the URL. And step 4. Test the function. We will paste the URL into our browser. We should see a message hello with an HTTP status. Let's move on. Click our stack and go to Outpost tab and copy the URL. Let's paste the URL into our browser. We got the response. Now let's check the logs in CloudWatch. Click the latest log stream and check the log. For cost management, let's adjust the logs. In the CloudWatch log group, set retention 1 day to avoid storing test logs forever. I hope you enjoyed this lecture. I built AWS Infrastructure and create AWS lectures. If you have any questions or inquiries, contact me at dahlaetheron@gmail.com. See you in the next lecture.